Hey everyone, and welcome to Trades of the Day. It's your boy, Jeremy Alexander Newsom, and we are here to review some of our trades and look over some nice winners. So just a quick review. Lulu making new all-time highs today. That's fantastic. That's good. Here's the SPY. And the SPY, we did gap down this morning. It's an inside day candle. Obviously, there's tons of volatility out there in the markets, and I still think it's very, very sideways. If I were not in this condor that I'm in, I would be happy to help you all and look over a potential spread on the SPY, but I can't really make it official since I wouldn't be able to be in it with you all. But looking for a May, some type of May or June bull put spread if we can find some premium. Right now, there's not tons, so just kind of waiting it out. But anyway, SPY, pretty much a non-event for right now. If we break the low of yesterday, we're going to go back down to the 200, maybe a little bit lower. And if we break the high of yesterday, we'll go up to the 100. So really, we're still just chopping around, trading very, very sideways. So Lulu looks good. Here's Fitbit. So we have that option over earnings. Probably going to lose an R on it, or at least it looks like, but it's just going to be purely up to earnings to see exactly what happens on Fitbit. Next on the list is IQ, and IQ is one that hasn't really done all that much today. It's gone up a little bit, but it's still an inside day candle, which I like actually. So that one still looks good. Dropbox DBX is an amazing resistance. This really is fantastic. So that is certainly still staying open. Hess looks really nice, up 1.9% today. Very pretty trade. Gonna do my best to hold till 59, but there's a big resistance where we are now. We're up a little bit right at an R on that trade. That'd be nice to lock in that profit, but it seems like we could go a little bit higher. But realistically, just looking at this trade and this particular market with this gap and this volume, it does look like one we should just hold on to. Here's your exponential moving averages, and we'll likely move the stop on Hess sometime next week. Here's FCX. FCX had a really good move yesterday and just kind of hanging out for the day. This FCX. Here's Valero. VLO along with Hess making magic. So that feels really good. Happy to see that slowly coiling higher. Next on the list is Fossil, FOSL, and it too is slowly continuing a little bit higher, so that's nice. Facebook has not triggered yet, and BABA has, so BABA, with that lower shadow there. Low of the day, 175.31, so we did trigger into BABA, and that was at 175.57. So let's go look at some of the credit spreads. So again, Alcoa, we're just gonna let it do its thing. Facebook looks okay. Square is kind of popping a little bit today, and I like that. So this is gonna be an additional setup we're gonna have on Square, which is buying the May 2018 $50 calls at $2.65 with a stop at $1.65. So we have a put sale on that for the same time. So actually doing this trade is kind of called, I believe, a synthetic long, which is a long call option at the same time you're selling a put. So meaning this is a pretty bullish strategy. It doesn't mean it will work, but I hope it does, obviously. So I do like that setup, and that's with options to kind of lower our buying power a little bit on Square. We'll leave that open for a few days to see if it triggers. And then NVDA, it's the last one on the day. NVDA, just a very nice inside day candle. And I'm excited about a potential pop on this one. Something just like this. So here's going to be the stop, and this is going to be the bullish stop limit. So I'd like it to break above there and kind of turn this off. There we go. So 229.54. 229.54 with a stop loss at 222.11. We will throw the chart right in there. And again, here's 4/11/2018, and this is on NVIDIA. So right now we're doing well for the month of, what month is this? April. So we're doing pretty well so far. Excited to see what happens from here. keeping our eyes on some good trades. The market looks relatively bullish, and yeah, just keeping a very close eye on some good setups. But I will be on a cruise and on a vacation the week after next. So for those who have heard about the trading room at this point at Real Life Trading, this was a day trade that we took today, and I will be putting this one on the list, on the day trading list in that journal that you have access to. This is a very good trade on Netflix. So I'm really just putting these in here for now so that you can all kind of see just what I trade on a day-to-day basis. So this is all I've taken so far today, and I'll start adding these pretty much every day and just kind of let you all know what I'm trading in the room. Now again, there's no way I can update this on the chart for you all to get an idea of what we're doing before it happens and all that stuff. So as far as being in the room and taking these trades, my overall thought process is simple. While I'm on vacation next week, I do have a team of moderators who are just simply phenomenal. I have a licensed trading, just absolute rock star named Brad, who's a stay-at-home dad, but he has a series licenses. I got a guy named Blake who was on a professional trading desk in New York City for over a year. And then I have just an absolute queen of the charts, Latoya Smith, who's just a pure trading monster. And she'll be rocking out as well while I'm gone. So anyway, all I'm saying that to say, I'll be with you here all this week, all of next week, but the week after, and some few days after that, I will be on vacation. So just throwing that out there. It's been an absolute honor and privilege to trade with you all over these last few days, and I'll be continuing to rock out this information for the next few days. But if you have any questions between now and then, just let myself or Greg know. All right, folks, you're amazing. I'll talk to you later.